What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Assalamu alaikum, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create doors and windows in Autocad. So it's really easy. How do we make that thing? Let us see. This is my plan, and what I want to do is I'm going to create here a door and somewhere a window, somewhere, let us say here. So let's start. What I'm doing is I'm just drawing a line. How do you do that thing? Just create a line, like I'll enter. If you want it to be exactly in center like this, I'm just creating it, clicking here, and then I'm clicking somewhere here. Or if you want to create it from somewhere, and you can actually draw that wherever you want to draw. Then afterwards, what I'm doing is I'm making a 3-foot door. So for that thing, I'm just offsetting that to here and here, half. So offset it 1.5 feet, pressing enter here, and then click here, and then click here, and you can see here how I created. Now if you want to create the things from the end, means you can do that thing as well, like clicking here, and then I'm just trying to offset that thing, enter 3-foot, enter, and then clicking here, and you can see here how I created that. So let's get back to this thing. Now what I want to do is I want to create a door, something kind of like this. So how do we do that thing? First of all, create a rectangle, REC, enter is the shortcut key for that, and remember where you want to create that thing, like inside or outside. Let's say I want here it to be inside. So I'm clicking it, and then it's going to ask me what's the width and what's the height. So what I'm doing, what I'm going to do is I'm just putting at the rate here, because the relative system I'm using right now, and then I'm pressing 3-foot. That's the horizontal, comma, and I'm going to use here, let's say 1.5 inches, and then I'm pressing enter. And you can see I have created something like that, and then enter the arc, first click, second click, and finally the last click somewhere here. You can see here how I created, but here you can see there are certain things which I require to remove it, and you can do that thing by enter, but it's going to remove complete line. So I'm going for tr, double enter, and then you can remove something like this. So because it's removing the things very one by one, like you can see here, if I'm clicking to remove, you can see here it's removing something like this. So for that thing particularly, what you can do is just tr1 enter, and then go for selecting this part, and then go for selecting this part, and after selecting that, again press enter, and then just select this, and you can see here how it got removed. So this is how you can easily create the door, and make sure that you make that thing as a block, because if you want to paste it somewhere else, it will be very easy for you. So how do you make that thing? Just select them, right click, and we will be having actually not here, I can just press B, enter, and then I can give it a name like dr, enter, and picking a point somewhere like this, and that's pretty much okay. I've created a block, and you can see here this is actually my block. If at all I want to place somewhere, yeah, you can do that thing, click here, and you can place anywhere as per your requirement. That's done. This is how you can actually create a door. Now just like that, I want to create a window. So for that thing, let us say I want to create a window somewhere here of 5 feet. So for that thing, I'm just doing it. This is where I want the window to be started. So I'm selecting this line, and then I'm copying it. You can do offset, you can copy as well. So I'm copying it. Actually the copy is CO, enter, and then clicking here, I want the window to be 5-feet, pressing here, and you can see here it got created. And the next thing is I want to create a for the window exactly in center, something like this, and having an offset, small offsets, like it can actually, it actually depends what kind of template you're having, how you want to create a window. When different users have different kind of windows they create, you can see here people create windows something like this. So it's going to be based on your company's template, how you want to create the window. So this is how you can actually create the window. Now if you want to add it a little bit of hash so it looks good for you, so yeah, you can do that thing as well. I'm gonna add a solid hash here with certain color, like orange color to be like this, here and here, and then exactly in the center I want it to be blue color. So I'm doing that again, H enter, and I want the color to be, let's say, blue, and like cyan. And this is how I create a window. And then again, I'm selecting everything, B, enter, and this is actually my window. So I'm just typing here win, or you can type completely. I'm selecting this as my base point, and this is actually my object, and that's pretty much about it. And you have created the window. Now see here, if at all you want to copy this window somewhere else, you can just copy that thing. It's very easily, wherever you want to copy, you can copy that. This is it. This is how you can easily create a door and window. Now if you want to create a door like this, yeah, you can do that thing as well. Just mirror this thing, mi enter, and yeah, done. And you can actually again trim this part if at all you want, like how I trimmed previously. So dr enter, and then try and trimming it. Yeah, done. So this is how you can actually create a door and window, and you can actually make that thing as block and use many other ways and many other places. That's pretty much. If at all you have a doubt in AutoCAD or any other software what I'm giving the tutorial for, you can actually ask me. You can put that in comment section as well. That's pretty much about it. If you like it, just forward to your friends who are needy and all. Till that, stay tuned and stay safe. Bye.